Take a moment to check out the 2014 Toyota Scion XD. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Prepare to take your driving pleasure to new heights and enjoy the best of modern efficiency and style. You'll love the advanced safety features, quiet cabin, and responsive handling this vehicle has to offer. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, premium sound system, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, rear spoiler, traction control, intermittent wipers, pass-through rear seat, temporary spare tire. This vehicle is waiting for you at the intersection of comfort and style. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.